Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to check your DBT link status in your bank account using your mobile phone. So let's get started. First of all, open any browser on your phone and in the search bar search for NPCI. Now tap the official NPCI website npci.org.in at the top of the search results. Then scroll down to the bottom of the page. After that, tap on Customers. Now tap on Aadhaar seeding status. Then tap on Aadhaar mapped status. Now enter the Aadhaar number whose DBT link status you want to check. After that, fill the CAPTCHA code. Then tap on Check Status. Now, a 6-digit OTP will be sent to the mobile number registered with the Aadhaar number you entered. Simply enter the OTP from here. After that, tap on Confirm. Now your DBT link status will be displayed on the screen. Once the status appears, look for the Mapping Status section. If it shows Enabled for DBT, it means your Aadhaar is successfully linked to your bank account for DBT and your DBT link is active. That's how you can easily check your DBT link status online using your mobile phone. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.